Taking the field tonight will be GWS Giants and Geelong. GWS Giants winning the toss. It's one of the... We're underway. One it down with the ball. Emilio slips the handball to Taranto. Drop pass straight through the middle. Look. Great control there. Hawkins takes the mark. Uncontested, 35 metres out. This shot should be elementary from here. A goal will see the scores all level. The drop punt goes straight between the big sticks. Gets his first. His ball picked up. He takes aim. He pops through the goal. He wants to move it quickly. Gets around Mr. Invisible. Just it's for home. They chase after the loose ball. Through for a -4. Haynes decides where to go. Ball. Lloyd short by hand. Kelly pulls the trigger. That kick was pure. Of course not. Ball up goal. Punches it clear. Going for goal number 1. Guthrie sends the drop punt on its way for a... Any thoughts from you guys?
The Cats have turned the ball over a lot trying to play aggressively. It's where they...
Gets on the end of that handball. Dug out by Hawkins. He slots this one. Well, not to fumble. He likes his chances from here. Makes the most of that kick. It's a goal. Grab. Controlled well off the bounce. He slams it towards goal. Find an option. Haynes kicks hard along the boundary line. Plays on quickly. He just throws that ball. Stengel doesn't want to let his 45 metres out. Going for goal number 1. What a fantastic goal. Cornelio kicks it. Daniels gets on the end of this. Going for goal number 1. The kick ends up hitting the post.
Geelong.
Links with hands. Doing well with Kelly. That kick is missed. Looking for options now. The distance might be just beyond him. Dangerfield launches towards goal. It's a poor kick and it hits the behind post. Hits the point post. It'll be a free. Decides to kick. Decides to keep it alive. He's missed the loss. Dangerfield puts it out on the full. Davis kicks it out of defence. Over the top of the pack. He drives it towards goal. It looked impossible, but he made it run. Perryman kicks it out of bounds on the full. A chance here to convert for Geelong. 50 metres out. Myers going for number 1. The kick connects with the post.
On top once they force a contest.
Thanks, Gaz. With so much on the line, I'm looking forward to this second half. Where it doesn't take the mark. I haven't seen it for a while, Gaz.
He needs to find a way into this game.
Takes possession. He gets his hands on the footy. Oh, what a goal! Canil. Slick with the hands. Gets around the pressure. That looked great. With a driving kick. Open opportunity for Cameron. up the angle.
That's one of the biggest benders I've ever seen in my life.
Now, for this shot at goal. Goes for the goals. Sweeping handball. Squeezes out a handball. That's holding the ball. A chance. Going for goal number 1. He delivers with a drop pass. Daniels trying to avoid everything out there. Summed it up. Appa needs to live.
He's barely touched the ball lately.
9 has the ball. Goes to Gavin. Moving. Quick handball from Jaw. And the mark will be paid. Langdon going for number 1.
Opportunities being created. Get the ball inside, give it a shot.
He takes the shot. Just couldn't get it to Kerber.
Geelong have turned the ball over a lot trying to play aggressively. It's where they turn it over. This doesn't make it as dangerous.
Finds the loose ball. Handballs. Wins possession. Going for goal number 1. The drop pass sails between them. Taken well at ground level by Taranto. Lloyd cuts it off. Darts it. Finlayson going for number 1. Ball off hand. He'll get the free kick. Giants to put one through. Well within range from here.
Hold on to the ball for a few moments and just take the sting out of the game.
Just hits the post. And it's on. Got boot to ball. Using every ounce of energy he has left. Kelly having a big game.
Yes, I know, he's a class act.
Guthrie comes away with the ball. That's something to smile about. Gets the reward. Finding the ball was Daniels. Cornelio just put it in the boot. Winning the ball in the air was Reed. 20 metres from home. He gives it a ride. He acknowledges the crowd. He's clear. Dangerfield, hurry kick. Segler gains position. He looks like he needs a spell. They'll regain the lead if he nails this one. Rowan needs a chance to rest. Receives the handball and takes off. Myers goes to the man on the run. Finlayson doesn't make the tackle. Stengel taken out. No issues with that drop pass. Finlayson struggling to run at the moment. Releases by hand. He has the ball. Smith slick with the hands. Rushes with the kick. The ball ends up with Stanley. He doesn't want to let his teammates down with this shot at 45 metres out. Brilliant stuff, and he puts it through. The GWS Giants will look back at today as a performance they want to learn and move forward from. What's to have beaten GWS Giants 81 to 66. That's all for today. On behalf of myself, Gary Lyon, thanks for joining us. We'll see you again soon.
We are Geelong, the greatest team of all. We are Geelong, we're always on the ball. We play the game as it should be played, at home or far away. Our banners fly high from dawn to dark.
Obviously, that's it for today's video. We've got a new thing called Cats Player of the Year, so I'll do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 votes at the end of every game.